So f of x is defined like this, g of x is defined like this. They are asking what is g of f of e plus f of g of pi. Okay, now note that e, now most of us know the approximate value of pi. Actually pi is an irrational number. So pi is approximately 3.1416 etc. It is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Therefore, non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. Similarly, there is something called as Euler's constant. E is called Euler's constant. So this is called, some call it as Euler's constant. So the value of E is like this, same way it is an irrational number, 2.7184 like this. Okay, so actually E and pi both are irrational numbers. So okay, now therefore this question is to find g of f of E plus f of g of pi. Now note that E is irrational. E is an irrational number. So this is g of, what is f of irrational? Now look at f. F of irrational number is 1. So therefore f of irrational number is 1. See, f of x is 1 if x is irrational. So suppose this is an irrational number, f of irrational number is 1 plus this is f of pi is also irrational number. Now what is g of irrational number? Now g of irrational number is 0. So g of pi will be g of irrational, so it will be 0. Now next, what is g of 1? Okay, now we know 1 is rational number. 1 is a rational number. So what is g of rational? So now g of rational is minus 1. So g of 1, because 1 is rational, g of 1 will be minus 1 plus 0 is also a rational number. So what is f of 0? What is f of rational? So f of rational is 0. So f of rational is 0 and hence the answer will come out as minus 1.